This is how you do the viral text behind the head effect inside After Effects. New composition, import my clip, drag it on the timeline, go up to the rotobrush tool, double click the clip. Now we've got this green paintbrush that I can go around her with. I like the look of the purple line. You want your subject all within the purple line. Use H, which is the hand tool, to move around the comp, and then option click to reduce the stroke. Just go around and clean up. Usually the problem we have with subjects is the hair. So if we click, drop down, go to the refine edge tool, I can paint over the hair and the purple line simultaneously for complex regions. If you want to adjust the brush, we go to Windows, Brushes, the size of the brush, change the diameter, go over those rogue hairs. Then when we're happy with our selection, we can just click freeze and start rendering it out. Okay, once it's rendered out, we go back to the main comp and we can have a look, see if it's what we like. You can either go back in and make corrections, or I'm just going to increase the feather 20, reduce the contrast a bit. There we go. Oh, that's looking very pro and good. Then next, we just Command D, duplicate it. The bottom one, we go E to bring up the effects, and we delete it, and that brings back the background. Then I'm just going to go up to the text tool, freedom, Command double click the pan behind tool to center the anchor point. Then go to Window, Align. It's aligned in the center, and then I'm going to drag it beneath the top one, so it's now wedged in between the rotoscope one and the background version. And then we're just going to add a nice animate in from our presets, text, animate in, fade up characters, and voila.